If Discord is stuck on starting and won't open, don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it in just a couple of minutes. I end this video. I'll show you 3 quick fixes that actually work. The first fix is to end all Discord processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then look for anything related to Discord, right-click it, and select End Task. Make sure all Discord processes are closed before opening the app again. The second fix is to disable hardware acceleration. This works if Discord was opening before. Go to the Discord shortcut, right-click it, select Properties, and in the target field add a space and type Disable GPU at the end. Apply the changes and open Discord again. This helps fix startup issues related to graphics. The third fix is to delete the update file. Press Windows plus R, type %local apt to %, open the Discord folder, and look for a file called update.exe or the update folder and delete it. Then restart your PC and open Discord again, and that's it. These are 3 fast ways to fix Discord stuck on starting in just a couple of minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.